Are you ready to invest but not sure where to start? Imagine living almost free, building wealth, and learning the ropes of real estate, all with one smart move. Welcome to the world of house hacking. House hacking is one of the best kept secrets for new investors. The strategy is simple. You buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent the others out. Your tenants help pay your mortgage while you grow your equity and learn the ins and outs of property management. Start small. Think duplexes or triplexes. With an FHA loan, you can sometimes invest with a down payment as low as 3.5%. Screen your tenants carefully and know your local landlord laws. Your future self will thank you. Actionable tips for you. Research neighborhoods with strong rental demand. Estimate your monthly rental income and expenses. Be realistic. Make sure your lease protects you and your property. Network with experienced house hackers and join local investment groups. As always, I'm Adam with the Walker team, here to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate. If you're ready to start building wealth with your first house hack, reach out to me today and let's invest smart together.